Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do an open reverse ballroom turn. Now, experience with first moves, ballroom turns, reverse ballroom turns, really important before you start trying to do an open reverse ballroom turn. And I'll put links to some videos that will help you with that in the description below. Assuming you've got that stuff under your belt, then you're going to be ready for one of these. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So let's break that down. It starts off man's left, lady's right. Normal first move beginning, we come in, we open, so it looks like an open first move at this point. Guys actually weight the back foot as opposed to just touching it back, so that's a small difference to usual. We're going to bring the lady across, so they take a big step across in front of us, and as we do that for the lady, the guy steps between the lady's feet with his left. So the lady comes across with the right, guys step into the middle with the left. We keep that rotation to the left going, guys come through with the right, ladies are in the middle, guys go back left, ladies come across with the right, guys go through right, ladies are in the middle again, and one final one. We're going to open out to the left, so we both step in the same direction, that's how we finish. So we're kind of going into spring back, into the twist out, and then all we're going to do is slide the lady away and catch. Though obviously you're in an open first move, you could do any open first move ending. So now let's think numbers. We go back, 1, in, 2, open, 3. Then we're going to go 2 steps for each count. So we're going to bring the lady across and the guy's going to step through. 4, bring the lady across, guy's going to step through. 5, step through together to stop. 6, open. 7, moving away. 8, and catch. 1. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, open reverse turn. We go back, in, open. 1, 2, 1, 2, stop, twist, away, and catch. Now, how many you do is up to you. Whether you want to try and open it out and turn it into a straight line as opposed to just going around, that's again next step on from what we're doing. And we'll do a video somewhere down the line to actually do that. And how fast you turn is up to you. The more experience you have, the more rotation you'll get basically, so you'll be able to put more into it. Anyway, music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. Do like, subscribe and hit the bell. Liking helps tell people which videos are good. Subscribing helps promote the whole channel. So if you're getting value out of what we're doing, find it useful, do please subscribe. And if you hit the notification bell, you'll make sure you know every time a new video comes out. Anyway, as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.